McDonald's French fries. Love them or hate them, there's no denying their iconic status. They've been a cornerstone of fast food since the 1950s, and today, they're as much a part of the McDonald's identity as the Golden Arches themselves. But have you ever wondered how these perfectly crispy, golden strips of potato magic are made? It's not like they're just peeling spuds in the back of every restaurant. Oh no. McDonald's has a whole mega factory dedicated to cranking out millions of fries every single day. We're talking high-speed, high-tech, ultra-efficient production lines that make turning potatoes into fries look like an art form. What started as a humble side dish back in the day has now grown into a global phenomenon, with McDonald's selling an eye-popping 9 million pounds of fries daily. Yes, you read that right, 9 million pounds. So how do they do it? How do they take something as simple as a potato and transform it into the world's most famous French fry? Let's just say it's not your grandma's kitchen. The process involves everything from potato harvesting robots to precision slicing machines and enough automation to make your head spin. Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the cutting-edge world of McDonald's fry production. The potato selection. It all begins with picking the perfect potatoes. And no, McDonald's doesn't settle for any ordinary spud. They have a favorite, russet Burbank potatoes. These potatoes aren't just chosen because they taste good, although that's part of it. They're selected for their exceptional frying qualities. Not all potatoes are fit to become fries. Russet Burbanks are known for their ability to hold up their texture and flavor, even when cooked in massive batches. This is key because McDonald's isn't making fries for a small family dinner. They're churning out millions of fries each day, and consistency is everything. In the United States, most of the russet Burbank potatoes used in McDonald's fries are sourced from local farms. The U.S. provides the perfect potato growing conditions, making it a top source for McDonald's contractors. These farmers grow the perfect spuds, designed to withstand both the rigors of industrial processing and the expectations of millions of fry-loving customers. Harvesting the potatoes. Now, we're not talking about someone digging up potatoes by hand here. We're talking about heavy-duty, all-in-one harvesting machines. These advanced machines roll through the fields like potato-grabbing behemoths, scooping up the potatoes from the soil while simultaneously cleaning off the dirt. It's like watching a giant vacuum cleaner devour the Earth's bounty. Except in this case, it's all about precision and speed. This isn't a once-in-a-while thing either. The harvesting process is continuous, ensuring that the supply of potatoes never stops flowing to the processing facilities. The whole operation runs like clockwork. And with McDonald's making approximately 9 million pounds of French fries every single day, there's no time for delays. Once harvested, the potatoes are stored in massive warehouses where they can be quickly retrieved as needed. And don't think these potatoes are hanging around long enough to go bad. Every single one is used up within 15 days, ensuring freshness and maintaining the strict standards McDonald's fries are known for. The potato washing process. Once those fresh potatoes arrive at the factory, they're not just tossed into a machine to be turned into fries. Oh no. First, they're in for a deep cleaning. These freshly dug potatoes are taken through a potato washing station, where they're dumped into giant washing containers filled with water. But this isn't your ordinary soak in the tub. Vibrating belts and fast-flowing water work together to scrub away every last speck of dirt. It's like a potato car wash, but for millions of spuds at a time. This rigorous cleaning process is vital to ensure that no dirt or impurities make it through to the next stage. After all, no one wants dirt in their fries. After the wash, a portion control elevator gently lifts the potatoes from the water, moving them along to the next stage of their transformation. Efficiency is key here. There's no stopping for breaks in this process. It's go, go, go from the moment the potatoes hit the water. Peeling the potatoes. Peeling a potato at home can be a time-consuming and occasionally messy task. Now, imagine doing that on an industrial scale with millions of potatoes. Fortunately, McDonald's doesn't employ an army of potato peelers. They've got automated peeling machines that make the process quick, clean, and incredibly efficient. These machines are more than just glorified vegetable peelers. They're designed to be precise, removing only the skin and leaving as much of the potato intact as possible. This ensures that there's minimal waste, and the potatoes stay whole and ready for the next step in the process. The peeling process is also designed to be gentle, so the potatoes remain undamaged. After all, only perfect fries are allowed to pass through the factory. Once peeled, the potatoes are moved onto yet another belt for a second round of cleaning. This time, they're given an extra thorough rinse with water containing chlorine and safe chemicals to ensure any lingering bacteria or impurities are removed. These potatoes are now sparkling clean and ready to be transformed, cutting the potatoes into uniform sizes. Now we've reached the part of the process where these plain old potatoes start to look a little more like the fries we know and love. Once the potatoes are peeled and cleaned, they make their way to the fine cutting chambers. This isn't your average kitchen cutting board situation. This is where high-powered machinery meets precision engineering. The peeled potatoes are propelled forward at speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right. These potatoes are zooming through the factory faster than a car on a freeway. Why? Because the next step is slicing them into the signature fry shape. The potatoes are launched through high-pressure water knives, which slice them into perfectly uniform strips in just milliseconds. It's not just about speed, though. These water knives are designed for precision. They ensure that every fry is exactly the same size and shape, no matter how many potatoes are processed. This level of uniformity is what gives McDonald's fries their signature appearance. Whether you're in New York or Tokyo, your fries will always look and taste exactly the same. But what happens to the fries that don't quite make the cut? Well, they're set aside. Any fries that are too short, too thin, or just plain wonky don't move forward in the process. McDonald's is all about perfection here, and there's no room for rogue fries in their system. We've sliced our way through the first half of the process, literally, where freshly peeled potatoes are cut into perfectly uniform strips at breakneck speeds. By the time the potatoes are cut, sorted, and ready for the next stage, they've already undergone a massive transformation. From carefully selected spuds to precision-cut strips, McDonald's French fries are well on their way to becoming the crispy, golden side dish we all love. But there's still more to come before they reach your tray. Washing the cut fries. Once the potatoes are sliced into those iconic thin strips, they head straight back for another round of washing. Yes, believe it or not, these fries get cleaned again, like a celebrity on a spa day. This additional bath removes any leftover starch from the surface, preventing the fries from sticking together in the next phases of production. No one wants a pile of clumped up fries, right? This isn't just a rinse. The fries are washed in a meticulously controlled flow of water that ensures each strip is fully cleaned and separated. The factory is running at full steam here to guarantee that not a single fry is left behind. It's all about precision and speed. This ensures that by the time they're ready to be fried, these fries are as clean as can be and prepped for the next crucial steps. The special treatment: sugar and sodium pyrophosphate. Now, here's where the magic really starts to happen. The freshly washed fries get what I like to call their special seasoning treatment. They take a quick dip in a solution made up of sugar and sodium acid pyrophosphate. You might be wondering, why sugar in French fries? Well, it's not for sweetness. The sugar ensures that when the fries are eventually fried, they develop that perfect golden brown color. No one wants to munch on pale fries that look like they've been undercooked, right? That irresistible golden hue isn't an accident. It's science at work. And the sodium pyrophosphate? It's added to keep the fries from turning gray or brown once they're frozen. Potatoes have this annoying habit of oxidizing and turning an unappetizing color if left untreated. But McDonald's has this all figured out. This nifty little chemical ensures that, whether the fries are freshly made or frozen for transport, they always look picture perfect, blanching, soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Once the fries have been treated, they're ready to be partially cooked, a crucial step in creating that perfect fry texture. To achieve this, the fries go through a process called blanching, where they're briefly boiled. Why? This step softens the inside of the fry while setting it up to be crispy on the outside. Blanching is a balancing act. Cook the fries too long, and they'll be mushy. Too short, and you won't get that fluffy interior everyone loves. McDonald's has mastered this process with industrial boilers that heat the fries to just the right temperature for just the right amount of time. The fries come out partially cooked, with their soft centers prepped for the final fry down the road. But not every fry survives this stage. If any fries end up broken or misshapen during blanching, they're immediately separated and discarded. Only the most perfect fries make it through. McDonald's is a stickler for quality control, because only perfection deserves to land in your carton. The first fry, locking in flavor and freshness. Blanching alone isn't enough to make the perfect French fry. So, the fries take their first trip into the oil for a partial frying. This is the part of the process where the fries begin to take on that crispy exterior, though they aren't fully cooked just yet. The fries are submerged in a blend of canola, corn, and soybean oil. This carefully chosen mix of oils not only gives the fries their distinctive flavor, but is also free from trans fats and cholesterol. So, while McDonald's fries might not exactly be a health food, they're a bit easier on the conscience with this oil combo. The fries are fried until they're about 50% done. At this point, they've developed a light, crispy crust on the outside, but the inside remains tender. This partial fry locks in the fries' flavor and ensures they'll maintain their shape during freezing and transportation. It also sets the stage for the final fry that will happen at your local McDonald's restaurant. Air drying the fries. After their first fry, the fries need to cool off, literally. Once they come out of the oil, they're quickly air dried in preparation for their next adventure. They're moved along by a conveyor system to a holding area where they dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, any excess oil drips off, ensuring the fries don't become soggy during storage and transport. This step is critical for maintaining that crisp texture we all love. No one likes a limp, oily fry. The air drying process ensures the fries are light and crispy without being greasy. And once they're dried off, they're ready for their icy transformation. Flash freezing, locking in the freshness. Now, to keep those fries fresh and ready to serve, they need to be frozen. And we're not talking about the old school freezer in your kitchen. These fries get sent through a freezer tunnel where they're flash frozen at extremely low temperatures in a matter of seconds. Flash freezing is crucial because it locks in the fries' taste and texture, preventing them from becoming mushy or soggy later on. If the fries were frozen too slowly, ice crystals would form, ruining the texture and flavor when they're finally cooked. But with McDonald's high-tech freezing system, they're frozen fast enough to preserve their perfect consistency. By the end of this stage, the fries are ready to travel, but still have one more fry to go before reaching your tray. Packaging the fries. Once frozen, the fries are packed up using an automated packaging system that's as fast as it is precise. This system loads the fries into bags or boxes, sealing each package tightly to keep them fresh during transport. McDonald's fries may have come a long way from the field to the freezer, but the journey isn't over yet. These fries are now ready to be distributed to McDonald's locations worldwide. Cool storage and distribution. The frozen fries are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, specially designed to keep everything at just the right temperature. These trucks serve as mobile freezers, transporting the fries to McDonald's restaurants around the globe, ensuring they stay perfectly preserved until they reach their final destination. Whether you're in a bustling city like New York or a quiet corner of the world, McDonald's ensures that every single fry maintains its flavor, texture, and appearance. This massive global distribution system is key to delivering that consistently perfect fry experience, no matter where you are. And that's the behind-the-scenes magic of how McDonald's turns simple potatoes into the world's most famous fries. By the time you take that first crispy, salty bite, those fries have gone through an incredible high-tech journey, from fields of russet Burbank potatoes to the industrial-scale production lines, through boiling oil and onto your tray. Now that you know the secrets behind your favorite fries, what do you think? Are you surprised by the high-tech magic? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of McDonald's fries, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are made, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fries.